Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be introducing you guys and checking out Just Irresistible hair. Irresistible Me is their name. Hair company made out of 100% human hair. They have a color match guarantee, and then this is also recyclable packaging. So for me, I chose the color 1B, which is the natural black color. And oh, it says try me. So okay, so I guess before you open up the package even, they want to make sure that it's the right color. You want to go ahead and definitely color match first before you open up the packaging, just in case. Let's check this little guy out. Oh yeah, that is a perfect color match. Like, literally, you can't even tell, you know, where my hair starts and where that hair is. So yeah, definitely the perfect color. Even in terms of like shininess and like when the light shines it, it's like a little lighter versus this one, but that's like the only difference. So these are clip-ins, right? So all you gotta do is like unclip it like that and then, you know, clip them into your hair. Difference that this brand has that I have not seen elsewhere is that they have this invisible weft. So it's a super, super duper thin weft. Weft is basically like this part where it, you know, it attaches to your head. Normally they're quite bulky. When you feel your hair, I mean, you can just literally, I mean, it's just rows and rows of like bumps. Of course, you're going to feel these little clips, but the fact that these are so thin, it's gonna make a huge difference. Oh, it comes with like a slight curl, but of course, I mean, because it's human hair, you can manipulate it and curl it, heat it, everything you want. But in general, all you do is you just clip it on there and that's it. I mean, it's not gonna be like this, but yeah, I mean, even how it moves is really nice and fluid. It also came with these like 2 pink strips. Maybe we'll add those in a little bit later. But they're just, you know, fun little, you know, pink strips that, you know, oh, I could do it on both sides. Oh, that could be kind of cool. So yeah, well, you know, we'll try this out later. All right, we're breaking the seal. Woo! Oh, cool. Comes with additional clips in case some break. But love this little bag. I feel like, I mean, it's like the perfect, like, you know, to-go bag when you're traveling and so on and so forth. I'm surprised that all that hair fit into this. I got the 24-inch natural black hair. Oh, I don't know if I'll ever be able to put it back in here, to be honest. So maybe that's not the best traveling. All right, so this is basically almost like, I would say, the same length as my current hair, but because I'm gonna be attaching it here, 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 it's definitely gonna be longer. Comes a little bit kinked and a little bit, you know, obviously not prepared, but it is so soft. And unfortunately, it doesn't smell the best. I can wash it. So let's see how many it comes with. So they're all nice and neatly rolled up here. 2 1 clippers, 3 2 clippers, 3 of this type of hair with 2 clips, 4 3 clippers, and then 1 4 clipper. All right, so in general, when you have a 4 clipper, this should go on the widest part of your head. So what that means is this should probably go in the middle back. With the 3 clipper, then that can go underneath the 3 clippers, go on the bottom over here, or here on the top, etc. And so, I mean, it really depends how you want to, you know, put these all together. That's the best way to go about it because you're going in rows on your head. So I also got like the extra volume double. However, something that I'm already noticing is how not super, super duper heavy it is, which is a good thing because you don't want too much weight on your head. But it's thick in terms of per piece is thick enough. I don't know if I even need to use every single one of these strips because there's simply so much hair. All right, so to prepare the hair, generally you probably want to wash it first, but just because I'm showing you guys, I'm gonna skip that step for now. And purely how you wash it is literally just you would your normal hair, but making sure to these wefts, that this sealed part doesn't go into the water, have them at least a little bit out. So I would just wash this bottom part, shampoo and water and let it dry. But for now, I'm going to, just like you would normal hair, right? Let's go ahead and comb it first. Oh, it's so silky and so soft. It flows so nice. Then I would spray it with like, you know, a heat protectant. And then with your straightener, go ahead and just run through it a couple times. So you see how it operates literally just like real hair? All right, once you have your first piece, I always like to think from the bottom of my head to the top. So that's the direction I'm going to be going, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and get that first piece attached back here. So you wanna unclip and attach. So you see how simple that was? And if you're just like blending it in, you can't even tell. You see how much longer it is? So my real hair ends here. This one, because it's 24 inches, is a little bit longer. So it's gonna land here. And when it's fuller, it's not gonna look so piecey. All right, so let's continue on to the next. Next one, I'll probably do another 2 before I do a 3 clipper. With this hair, you don't necessarily want to, you don't want to put too much heat to it too often. So in general, if you like it straight, you know, keep it straight. But I mean, obviously that's totally up to you. It's just the more you put heat to it, the more you wash it, the more you do different stuff to it, put product in it, it just won't last as long. Nice and full. Next, I'll probably do a 3 clipper. Ooh, look at that extra volume. This is my, like normally without all this stuff on my head, this is like my normal like volume. Nice and thick already. I love how it feels. Next, we're getting to like the middle of my head. So we're gonna go ahead and do the 4 clipper. And if you wanted to, you know, curl it, it's super easy. I would recommend probably curling it off of your head and then putting it on. That's generally how I do it. To be honest, if you are okay with just curling it, you know, just attaching it first and then curling it all together on your head, that's fine as well. I personally, just because there's so much extra weight to it, I like to curl it first and then attach. As I said, that's personal preference. All right, you can see right now so far how long and how natural that's looking so far. Next, let's do another 3. Because these wefts are so thin, you can actually add a lot more in than actually I'm even adding. It's just, I'm just adding it enough to make it look natural and not like too overdone. So I'm not even gonna add all of them in. Next, I could probably still do another 3. I got a little caught up. Yeah, so I just need to unclip it a little bit and let that hair that was caught go. Now, as it's getting a little closer to the top, you wanna be careful because right here, this hair covers the wefts, right? So with the hair covering the wefts, you don't want to have your wefts too close to the top so that they show. So I would probably end that there. Whew, so thick. I mean, this is like just one bun, like this is normally how my entire hair feels like, not, you know, so that's nice. So this is what it looks like so far. Super, super thick. Really nice. There's layers here. I would probably add just maybe 1 on each side just to have it blend a little more. That's where this 1-piecer or this 2-piecer comes along. So you can either do a 2-piece underneath or just like a 1-piece on this side. Depends on like how you're parting. And let me just try 1-piecer over here, just so that the front blends. So you see how here you can almost kind of tell my hair. Now here you can't tell, or at least less so. So let's do that for here. We're gonna do this 2-piece though. And then let that go, blend that in. And there you have super duper thick, super, super thick. I mean, I can feel the weight of it. It just feels so nice. Definitely like triple what I have normally. The length of me, I'm usually about here, but this adds just a slightly longer, but definitely fuller. I mean, look at all that. Oh my god, just hair for days. So definitely, you know, great for like, you know, night out, date night, special events, different stuff like that. I actually used to do hair extensions daily, but probably not the best for you to do it daily just because you are adding strain and stress on the top of your scalp. It's just not good to do it so frequently. You definitely want to give your head a break. But I mean, the results are just stunning. So definitely recommend. I mean, the color was the perfect, application great, feel of it super. It's strong, elastic, shiny as well, and just blends super perfectly. I mean, couldn't ask for anything more. So the only ones that I did not use actually was a 3 clipper as well as a 1 clipper. This one was the trial one basically. Go ahead and just try out these pink ones. So here are the 2 pink strands. They definitely feel synthetic. Don't believe that they're real hair as like a little teaser. But yeah, they just sent these just for funsies. You want to switch things up, you want to like add color to your locks, you know, that's a great way to, fast, easy, non-harmful way to add color to what you got. And or to test out color and to see if it will work for you. I personally not a huge fan of color, but you know, I mean, you know, for a festival, I could give it a try. So yeah, I mean, and they just send these, you know, together just for fun in the package. If you want to purchase Irresistible hair, go ahead and check out the link below. I also have a promo code. And for more product reviews, make sure to subscribe, like, let me know what you think about this hair. Is this something you would try now that you've seen it done? So let me know in the comments below, and make sure to like, subscribe, and if you like product unboxings, I'll see you in the next video because that's what I do. All right, bye.